kene kedai kedu darshan mkhlaya ban iprian supaya pi barok shutup kubor mentaga janmit shwa ban phachi kubor gibnya in pe shwa kimat bukongsan penpau jing so khai kang amprin lengdo halor kendo jing jong ginong rap kubi ha gejala Bot ke sarkar ke jing penbet kat kum ki kendan a halor kinong de madan halai mkra ong ikong amprin Hakasni rakhe ya ke Kargil Vijay Diwas kunma brom Modi bat ke presiden ya ki sipai ki pa ya la ke jing em Bat weng na ke CJP ya ke jing ki hatian bak sarkar telah menjur ya ke jing dawa jongki Mentang ini phashwa saki kubor na ke jala Ka menteri berim ketenat kerep keriang ke balong ru kenong ai bujang ke sarkar MDA2 ikong amprin lengdo 11 pa ke jing sokhya halor ke jing kendo jing jing kinong rep kubi ha ke jala bat ong ba kane ka jinglong jingman kalong ka basniu bok shibon ila ong ba de na kida bo pher ke balawan ra ya ke jing bat ila banjur ya ke jing don kam halor ke rukom trekam ka pher na ke benta ke jing thung ki bala ban puut I kong lengdo 11 pa ya ke jing sus kham ba menteri ketenat karep rengkat bat menteri rang ba ke jala konrad ke sama ken tuklar ya ke ni kaman ila bo jing keliru ya ke kamram jong ke KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council ban khang ya kinong rap ban susam ya ki marep jongki
I feel for the farmers who have had to just give away their products and producers because I am not in position to have access to reasons thereof. But as a common citizen and as a member of the Legislative Assembly, I know that the government is trying its best to institute layers of protection in the interest of farmers. And I am sure that the Agriculture Minister, in collaboration with the Honorable Chief Ministers, are attending to this. Unfortunately, perishable items need a different kind of policy thinking and thought process.
Inong ai bud jong sarkar MDA2 I balong rui MLA jong ki East Chelong ikang amprin lengdo ila ong bak sarkar kadang penbet ya ki jing jong kinong de madan halai mukra leng ba krukam trekam ka badai bat ila kentai ya ki jing keno bak sarkar kam semlale ikang lengdo ila banjur ba ki jing penkria badang shen ka pen ya ki jing don kam ban bot ya ki krukam trekam kat kum kaan kentup ya ki an ban yadai kinong de jing de madan ila kenturu ya barok kinong don benta ban ko ngo ya ki hukum jong ka jing besar bat ki jing tha jong ka sarkar ha ka juga por ban pentikna ya ke jingat bet apdeng ka kamai jong kinong dia madan bat ka hok jong kinong song ban yo ya ki surok bat kilenti ya jat ki babiang
It is incorrect to presume that the agenda of the hawkers crowding the streets and the public pathways of the state of the constituency and the locality of Limekra as something that we are not taking seriously. It is not easy because there are laws that have become active and are governing, and you cannot take for granted any decision that we take. So hence a platform was made available to all parties, not just government, but even those that have been asked now through various notifications to move out to a location which is suitable and which is convenient for the public.
Ya kathup basis pa alapun rio jong kaman kibat lapan ha kasnong lower Baliap ha Ribhoy district ha kaba kinong snong kilayalum lang ban sngap ya kerwo jong menteri rang badu kri lor bandon kejingkit kli ya kamar yang saudong sokun kijing kela ba kijing te ya kari ha bakran ba news ud khot jong kam khria BJP ST Morcha u Hemanta Timung ulo ang bau menteri rang ba do keri ulo kentu ya kinong shnong jong keri ban penduna ya kijing penon kam ya plastik bat ban shim da kiwe pat kirukom kibeha bat kamaryang orang ba shnong u Ananta Timung ulo ang ba kanika program ka yele ban penslur ya kijing yai don banta lang jong kipat ba
ये सब जानकारी मिलने के लिए मैं सबके लिए अच्छा लगा हुआ जैसा प्लास्टिक के बारे में बोला इस सब के बारे में बोला और दूसरा विभिन्न ये क्या बोले जो हम लोग न्यूज़ में भी नहीं मिलता है सब इन्फॉर्मेशन तो यहाँ में भी अच्छे से तो हम लोग को समझ में आता है बस्ती में सबको भी ये आता है इसलिए वो प्रोग्राम आगे होने से भी हम लोग ये करेगा कोऑपरेट करेगा इसमें देखेगा हम लोग भी जो समझता है छोटा छोटा बात जो छोटा छोटा सामान हम लोग को जानकारी मिलता है
ki nong yalam snong nakathan marman kila lej banjurep ya ki jaka ki blasa penjulor nak jing slei kabadang shan kabakan thup ya jing king kabala sha rong ha ka harong sahab bat ki penthor ka ba nadu rong bata shadu khong wing ha ka jing yalam jong ukumin ingti ubalong urang ba snong ka kulia bat chairman ka sinjuk kirang ba snong marman circle lakhot kerki ban sna ya ki kenro bat ki jing king ki baskham ki ban amsha penjot nak jing slei ha ki por ki ban sawan Shushu kila kentu ya kinong mikmat bat ya kasorkar jela ban kemi alor kini kajing kabala kata ya kinong song shnong bat kinong rap.
Jingking ipadan kam baru gini shnong di badan markab bat ke bordar hangne nadu kuswai kerta nadu kuliah samhru marman ngaim sipara asam bat Meghalaya amar ki nong shnong hangne ki badan nagaliang asam ki pentip sewa MLA directly de kata gadau ki sim kya dalade UMLA hi wan ban pek ya kene jingking de nagaliang jongiru ki sengu sibun ya i wada ngindai ta MLA jongiru andrei sim ke jingkin kli ka bakrau namar ba itip ka kene ka jingking kalong ka badan kam bahana ka banta kin ka ba ka yo ka hat jongi
Ya ka film documentary Weaves of Empathy lapan ha headquarter jong u Director General ka Assam Rifles like kor ka bapen pau ya ka jinglum ya ki history ke bla record lang ba ki jingkren jong ki breu ki ba ya tho ya ki jingja barem ki riti culture ki jing scam jingmut bat ki tenra jong ka jat reu naga kene ka documentary kala ring ya ki sur jong ki rang ba bat ki samla ka bapen iru ya ke benta jong ki jingruai ka bapasat ka tu kane ya jing start jong ki department ka jing kentiu ya ka mensim sngolem bat ka jing suk wada preng ka jing yakan at tu ngine skap halor kane ka kubor
ka documentary Weaves of Empathy kabalapan wonder da ka vibha lakhera mat kabalashna da upara share barwa lapan ia headquarter jong Director General ka Assam Rifle Lajkor kani ka film kawat penya ikitan rai jong ka jat benreu naga ka jing scam jing mun bar ka riti call shore ka papan pau ya ka jing sngolam ka jing sngotu jing mun bat ka jing la ban penne pensa ya ka jing start tan rai haba ajin grand hadin balada pen iya ka film kala khera kala banjur ya ka jing dan kam pan ya thu khana kham ban penne pensa ya ka history bat ban pet klan ya ka jing yede ya ka imlang salang kani ka program ka pin kana biang ni ka jing ang no jong ka Assam Rifle ban kintiu ya ka ready to stir jong ka than stay lam ngi ka jing ya grand ka jing ya tli ka way ha kari.
So Nagar Oral History Stories of Empathy was one effort to capture the culture of Nagaland through the lens of empathy. As such, there is no dearth of content on the internet about Nagaland and its culture. But when you view it from the lens of empathy, the stories, all the cultural aspects, they sound very different. It's a different part of Nagaland that comes to the fore.
Hakani kasingi lawan penyisian bentalang dau Air Marshal Inderpal Singh Walia Balongru AVSM VM Air Officer Commanding in Chief Eastern Air Command Kumukangsan Ringkat Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera Balongru AVSM SM Director General ka Assam Rifle ki Officer Rangba jong katanat Indian Army bat ka Assam Rifle ki sipai jong katanat batai kubor ki kena puli ki pahayang asam bat ki nong shnong jong kanang ba shelo Hakani ka sni Air Marshal Walia mula batai bakani ka documentary kalong kung kathup sa kan ma ban penne ban sa ka history mat ka em lang sa lang jang ka chai pen riu naga benta ki pateng ki ban sawan.
For generations in the past, when the written tradition did not exist, our ancestors in all parts of the world have preserved their essence through their memories and oral rendition. Bards, griots, poets have sustained these respective rich oral history traditions all over the world. So here today, we have seen and heard the elements of Naga history, which have been spoken from the heart and has assumed epic-like qualities. For me, this movie has had a twofold impact. In some way, it has captured some of the history, and it also documented many of the sociological aspects of the proud Naga people, the way they function as a society. So this remarkable documentary does not merely record history, it breathes life into the very soul of Nagaland.
Malashna da upara share barwa gani ka film kawat panya ya kijing itu khana pateng kajing don ni kajing mot ka scam mat ka ten rai jong ki jai pen reu naga ling ba ki sur jong ki rangba mat ki samla samhoi jong ki em nang salang ka pa pen pa ya kajing skong ren kajing esong ba kajing pen ne pen sa ka ten rai ha kani ka chan ngen la pen iru ya kajing rai pat ba ka baning kong ka walk with me da ka Assam Rifle Public School choir ha po kajing penya jong nang hikai rai umahai kani ka jing rai ka pen pa ka kupor ka ba klan jong ka jing skong ren ka jing skap jing mon ba ka jing prashan I we klam da bishar iki.
So when Project Empathy and this idea of documenting the project came to me, it was an opportunity for me to also pick up the threads where I left and look at it from a completely different perspective. And it was a very happy challenge that, you're so colored as a filmmaker when you come to Nagaland. And you have a certain preconceived notion that probably took me 21 years to maybe get out of that. And then when Project Empathy came, and it was a completely different perspective, which I had to unlearn a lot of things. I think the governing principle while approaching the film from the start is empathy. And how do you practice empathy? As a filmmaker, how do I bring that into my own craft? I believe this film is part of that continuing history that that probably the young will also be able to understand and add their perspective to oral history traditions.
Kani ka program kapan pau ya ka jing yai beteng jong ka Assam Rifle man pin klan ya ka jing pin skau tu ya ka culture ka jing esok ka ki em lang salang ba ka jing ya tali ha kari ling ba ki sin jam ki padan jing mon ha ka em lang salang. Video report TT News Meghalaya.
Kenci pelun gelap nolong ya program bentuk buram ya usam lakit kupar nong sit ayo kenci helor kejing job jong kelempung World Championship of Performing Arts Hajar pun reu ke belalong Las Vegas, USA. Ukit kupar ulapoi syaka top 5 baru loyo kur ya kilai teligi tak maksiar bat art ligi tak marnong. Hagani ke program lawan mensimentaru MLA ba Syaklir Wajri, MDC ba Powell Soklet bat kwe ha kaba kilero ya kijing IT lot jong ukit kupar bat penslur ya ki samla ban gentiu ya ki sap jong ki lang ba kijing treshitom kijing long renti bat kijing yaina.
Kani ka jingjob jonga nga dedicate in kong impa ibala tristom ban pelong brew yang hadu mentah hadu kani ka klimat ka mentah ladam dei mei ibayalam ya kani ka lenti na mentah jonga nga ngamlong kumni kumbangalong ngala ban garanti 100% kega aimen siemru ya kilong kumi kilong kpa jong kasnong na jongi bakin ai mensir ya lagi jong ki khun bagi don ya kanu kasap kin kedau lenti kin yalam lenti syakata kasap kebau blei ul ai ki
ya ka Kargil Vijay Diwans la rakhe hakeleng ki benta jong keri ha ka arun ritrik ubna jaleu kum si benta ban kan mau burom ya ka jing job jong ke India hak thma Kargil House nam Shahjar kandai spa kanep kandai ban rakhe ya kelengkho dap arnyo snam jong ka Operation Vijay kani ka singi lal kale burom na kabenta ki sanspa arnyo ngot ki sipai ki bala IT yalade met ban mensim ha kajing yakon ha Kargil ka balong ru kum kajing kan mau burom halor kajing slur bat jing IT lot jong ki sipai ki India ha ka ban yada ya kajing sensyar ha keri tung ya skap halor kani ka kubor
Habayakran Rakaditi News, Lieutenant Colonel Retired Martin Kongman, Ulaong baka Kargil Vijay Divas, ketika sengi kapa Don Buram, menlek Buram ya kajing shlur kajing IT yalade, mat kajing lenade kapa crowd tam jeng shipai, kipa ai jing yada klem jing tiang ya kari India. Ulaong baka ni kasengi kadairu kalat pan rakhi ya kajing jom jangka Operation Vijay, kajing ya kon jeng shipai kapa pen I ya kajing shlur, kajing scam jeng mun, kabut stan kajing tebin jong katna shipai, banla ban yaisha ya kajing ya kendu jeng ye haki jaka jangka Kargil.
Celebrating Operation Vijay, it marks the official successful conclusion of the 60-day conflict on July 26, 1999, when the Indian troops ousted, or rather threw out, the Pakistani infiltrators from the heavily fortified high-altitude positions. It is an inspiring occasion to inspire national pride on all Indian citizens.
Lieutenant Colonel Retired Martin Kongman, Ulaong baka pateng jong kiri shlur jong Kargil, kayay beteng ban ay mensi miki pateng jong kari India, da kaba penken mau yaki nong chong shnong, yaka jeng ay tulut, met ban siem ban yada yaka jeng light lut, baka jeng shngan hakari. Ula benra baka Kargil Vijay Divas, kawan ra yaka mensi ri kaba jeliu, kajing sarong yakari, baka jeng smongu ru, shaki shipai.
India is not that type of a country which hungers or thirsts for war. It's not a warmonger. Its military might and capability are very much at par with other great nations of the world. If at any time the integrity and sovereignty is threatened or endangered, it will not hesitate to defend itself with discipline, patriotism and zest to conduct oneself staunchly in favor of one's own country.
Kadbakari kadang rakhi kalengku snem baar punyo jong Kargil Vijay Divas kani kasmi kayang scam ru kung kajing pen kan mau ka bakraw tang jong kajing shlur kajing lan nade bat kajing IT lun mat bat siam jong khipai kari India. Hakapa ka khot ka weru yaman wei pa wei nong song shnong ka hakari ban purom ki reshlur ki bala yakun hakargel bat ban ikam sim ekri bat ban don ka jingi tali ka wei ka ba kila ajing yata klam jikti biri report di news Meghalaya.
Mentang ni phaji kubor na keleng keri. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ke Presiden Draupadi Murmu bat Vice President CP Radhakrishnan kilalek buram ki sipai beslur jang keri kibla IT lade ha thma Kargil ha kesingi rakhe Kargil Vijay Divas. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Modi ulaang ba kani kesingi ka pendap ya keri berok kawai da kajing sarang bat kalong kum kajing penken mau ya kajing slur bat kajing IT jang sipai da ka bakentu ya kinong song ban ken mau buram ya kini giri slur bat ban train ke bentah ke India ke Besngan bat ke bala ban chania halade ha kajuk ke por ke Presiden Keri ke Draupadi Murmu bat Vice President CP Radhakrishnan kila yaro ya kajing slur kajing ri bat kajing IT jang sipai da ka baong ba kajing slur jong ki ai beteng ban ai men sim ya ki pateng jong Keri.
तेरा वैभव सदा रहेगा हम दिन चार रहे न रहे जिनका जीवन मंत्र है ऐसे हम मार्गदर्शन में देश का शीश नेतृत्व
Menteri Kesor Perdeng Upralha Joshi Ulasajit kum Menteri Badai Pej ia ketenat puli putih hadian kejing ina akam jong u Dharmendra Pradhan ha kaba ka Presiden Keri ka Draupadi Murmu kala pedang ya kasiti ina akam jong u bat la pendrai kam mardor ujushi u balong Menteri Badai Pej ia ketenat Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and New and Renewable Energy mentah un Pej ru ia ketenat puli putih nalor ketenat ba uladan lupa.
I accept this responsibility with sense of duty and humility, and I am thankful to the Prime Minister. In last 12 years of Prime Minister Sri Modi government, many historical achievements have been done, and even in last 4-5 years, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan also executed national new education policy. All such things have been done, and country is really, it has advanced very well in the new education system, and under the guidance of the Prime Minister, I will try to perform to the best of my capacity under Prime Minister's guidance.
Ka CJP kalawang no ya kajing ki hadian baka sarkar kalapun ulong ya kajing dawa jongka lengba kajing kren ka ba laisin hapdeng ka seng bat ki menteri ka sarkar pdeng ujapi nada bat u Dr. Jitendra Singh New Delhi ka sarkar kalapun tikna bakan nam ai kanu kajing penstom persya ya kinong ya ki ban weng no ya ki FIR balasoi persya bat ban penbiang ya ki kot badan kam Shushu ka CJP kalapun pau ya kajing kermen baya kira balai kut an penterikam hapo kipor belabo.
On that note, the Cockroach Janata Party declares that we withdraw the agitation in good faith and understanding that the agreed upon terms will be executed within the agreed upon timelines.
Mentang ini paji kubor na kaleng ke pertai. Kakenhun le ano Houthi jong ke Yemen kibala persang daki Iran kibla kershan daki Iran kilah yatma persya ya ke Saudi Arabia dan ke bependan kam ya kinamding bat ki drone kum ke jubab alor ke jing yatma alor ke sun jong ke Saudi Arabia ya ke kat ling duriau ke badon ha Hodeida jong ke duriau Red Sea unong aktin jong ke Houthi u ya seri u bakam ulakam ba kita ki jing yatma kitemu persya ya ke karkhana Aramco ke badan hayan bu bat jizan shushu kani ke jing kanat kelawan ra ke jing songkhia halor ke jing singan jong ke bab el Mandeb Street ke lenti ya ling ke bakongsan ha ke perthai ha ke juk ke por ke Iran ke lakhot ya ka syakami jing kren kenang ban penbet ya ke jing kanat ha Yemen. Mentah pat ngenyepek ke jinglong jeman kesuneng hakeleng ke bentah jong ke jelah. Hatura ke jingkret kelong 40 degree Celsius bat ke jingkret kelong lai powai degree Celsius. Ke jingsengam kau hau mentah kesini kelong nyupwai nak ke sispa. Haba pai pat anong ba shalong ke jingkret kelong 4 degree Celsius bat ke jingkret kelong 8 degree Celsius ke jingsengam kau hau mentah kesini kelong nyupwo nak ke sispa. Kat bahajawai pat ke jingkret kelong 4 degree Celsius bat ke jingkret kelong 8 degree Celsius ke jingsengam kau hau mentah kesini kelong nyupnyo nak ke sispa. Kandan ke jinghap slap ke bamalumala hatura shalong bat jawai. Shuaban pois kubukut jong atuk kubor ngi pibyang sisi ni gimat bakongsan. Penpau jong sokya i kong emperin lengdo alor ke jing kenduk jing jong kinong rap kubi ha ke jelah. Bud ke sarkar ke jing penbet kat kum ki kendon an halor kinong di madan halam kra ong ikong emperin. Agas ni rakyat ya ke Kargil BJ Diwas kun mau berom umudi bat ke presiden ya ke sipai ki bapa ya la ke jing bat weng nak ke CJP ya ke jing ki hadian bak sarkar kala menjur ya ke jing dawa jongki. Te perlok tung la pois ke bekut jung ketuk kubor jung minta gajan mit haduk bangin na syam yang pila syai kesi blai pi barak.